to another dumbbell exercise. Today we're going to be focusing on the deltoids, the front, the side, and the rear deltoid. We're going to be using dumbbells, of course, because it's a dumbbell exercise. What you don't want to do is go too heavy. This is about using moderate to light weights, get your reps in, and making sure that your form is proper. So what I'm going to start out today with is a side deltoid workout. There's several different ways you can do it. You can do it sitting down and come out like this. You can do it standing up, coming out like this. I find for me, comfortable is to have my arms here, elbows tucked in, and come up with the weight like this. I'm going to show you. We're going to do 3 sets of 15 or 3 sets to fail. So we stay in here, and we come up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Make sure you get your 30 seconds in. And the reason why I'm doing it this way is because there's no popping sound. If you hear any popping sound or anything like that, you need to stop. You need to readjust the position that you're using to work that exercise, because we're going to single these out. There is another exercise called arnold-process that will work out all 3 at once. And you get 2 dumbbells. You come in and you go all the way up and turn as you come up. But that's not what we're going to do. I'll show you that exercise some other time. All right, here we go. So you feel that burn. Now this is going to be the 3rd set. Don't expect to always get that 15 in your last set, especially when you're beginning these type of exercises. So what you want to do is just push until you can't push anymore. That makes sure that your muscles are getting what they need. Your heart rate should be up at this point. You should feel a burn here on both sides. Here we go, last set of these. Uh-oh. Oh. 10 is all I have of that. Okay, this next exercise is going to work for a deltoid, and that's going to be that muscle right here. So there's 2 different ways that I know of working out. One is to come up here. I particularly like to meet in the middle here. You want to come to about where your nose is where you want the dumbbells to touch, and all you're going to do is make a triangle. Sit here. So here we go. You want to take up from here and come up. Ooh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You should feel that burn right here. That muscle right there is the one you're working. You want to make sure that you keep your form good, especially messing around with any type of rotator cuffs. You do not want to damage. I can't stress enough that these damages can be permanent and affect you for the rest of your life, and could potentially hinder you from working out again. So you don't want to damage those. So make sure you're mindful of your weight and your form. Second set. And don't ever give up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, the burn feels good. Love the burn. Learn to love the burn. Brings me to another little topic. How an individual think because you're working out that you can eat whatever you want to. This is not true. Your diet is the biggest part of your health regimen. You've got 3 key parts that you need to make sure are done. Proper sleep, proper diet, and proper exercise. These are the 3 things that help you lose weight and stay in shape. Last set. Again, as I always tell you, it's your last set. Don't always expect to get the same amount as you got the first, especially if you're working out hard. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so for this last exercise, you're going to need a chair. And we're going to work the rear deltoids. And when it comes to dieting, make sure that you choose a diet that is easily a lifestyle for you. So this individual said that, well, I should be able to eat what I want to, just less portions. Yes. A calorie deficit is what you want to be in. You need your caloric deficit to lose weight. But remember, you are what you eat. Even on a keto diet, you want healthy fats, not bad fats. All right, so like I said before, there's 2 different positions, or actually 3, that you can work your rear deltoids in, but this one is the one that I choose. So what I like is my dumbbells underneath me right here, and then so I pick up, I raise up like this. You can put your head forward or up, that way you got the proper form. And you want to cup your arms just a little bit and then come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You should already feel the burn here in the back. That's where your rear deltoid sits, which connects to other muscles. Whew. Don't give up. Keep it going. And remember, these segments that I'm showing you are part of a bigger exercise routine. This is my dumbbell routine that I do on chest day and ab day. So in a anywhere from 50 to an hour and a half workout, this is what I'm doing. So from 50 minutes to an hour and a half, well, however long it takes you to get it done, make sure you keep your intensity up, especially if you're trying to lose weight. I will work my deltoids, all 3 heads. I will work my chest, and I'll work my abs. Now there's several different ab workouts you can do, of course. If you're a beginner and you don't want to go through all these different regiments, get an ab wheel. There we go. Make sure you go hard. Always go hard. And these exercises are not gender biased. These are for any gender that wants to get some exercise in and build some muscles at the same time. All right, so here we go. We're gonna get this last set in, and as you advance, move up to four sets. Have a goal in mind. Always have a goal in mind. Here we go. Last set. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so that would be the end of deltoid exercise. If you like the video, as always, like, subscribe, share. You know somebody that's starting out or somebody that just needs more motivation, send them my video. If you have any questions or anything like that, please comment down below. And remember, don't cheat yourself. Treat yourself. Always do what's right for your body. Do not put a lot of junk into your body because it's going to hurt you, and the older you get, the harder it's going to be to build muscle and lose weight. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you next week with another exercise video. If you have any suggestions on what you want to see with dumbbells, let me know.